How do you react if you come home one day and catch your man making out with another woman?
You say, how would I react if what?
My house, like normal, I would play it off, you know, act like I'm not seeing or hearing shit. Then I'm gonna go in my basement. And in my basement, it's a gun, a hatchet, and a damn hammer. Now I'm gonna bring all three upstairs because each weapon dictates how the bitch gonna react. So if she gets crazy, then I may use my gun. And if the bitch wanna fight, I may use an axe because I'm gonna hack her ass up. But just get all in between. So I'm gonna go upstairs and they making out, right? Immediately I'm gonna cut his dick off. Immediately. Because you don't play games with me when I'm a strong black woman and holding your ass down. You wanna call yourself up and around with another bitch? I don't think so. Especially not these thoughts nowadays. You don't got no damn morals, no damn sense. So I'm gonna cut his dick off first. And then I'm gonna beat that bitch ass Louisiana style because I'm from the South. So I'm gonna beat her ass. And then if she try to get tough and get on that ratchet shit, you know how the city girls are. They get on that ratchet shit. I love that. Because once she do that, I'm gonna tie her ass up. And then I'm gonna beat her damn head in with a motherfucking bat. And then after I'm done, I may shoot her ass to finish her like the Mortal Kombat game. Let his ass know if you try this again, see it ain't gonna be no Miss Nice. I'm gonna kill your ass twice as hard. So that's what happened. Let's do the extended version. Okay, well after the murder scene is all done and everything with the bitch, and then he laying there dickless, what I'm gonna do is go back to my Haitian roots and do voodoo on his ass. So therefore, if he try to get his dick reattached and then try to move on with somebody else, he gonna forever have a curse. That means he ain't gonna never get a girl pregnant, and he ain't gonna never please her. Because the voodoo I'm gonna put on his ass, he ain't gonna never mess with another bitch again. He gonna come right back to me. And that would be the conclusion of that. Love you, boo. Have fun. Stop by, say. I should put a jacket on.
Yes, sir. Get it. You get it. Just pass the ball.